And time now is 4:48 on this Thursday morning. We're taking a live look out in Westfield here. You can see the flags barely blowing, out a very light breeze coming in out of the north and northeast for now. Chicopee also not looking too bad as well. Today's going to be a pretty quiet day weather-wise, but we are going to be dealing with some patchy black ice this morning. Heads up on that on some of the roads, especially if you were one of the spots that did see a little bit of that freezing rain and snow mix last night. Got that breeze coming in right out of the north, nice and light for now. Temperatures out there, 33 in Springfield, 33 in Northampton. We're 30 now. The temperature there in orange, some lower 30s back into the Berkshires. And throughout the rest of the day, we will see a sun and cloud mix. Overall, pretty nice. Temperatures around 40 degrees, so a little bit above average for today with temperatures, and that is the top of the Twin Cities Storm Team forecast focus. Heading through the day tomorrow, we got another chance of a wintry mix, some snow, some ice, some rain is looking likely for the day on Friday. Then going into the weekend, some good news is that it is trending a little drier. That system is pushing a little bit further out to sea. So as of right now, I think we might have some leftover flurries from our system tomorrow on Saturday morning. And then Sunday looks cloudy with maybe the chance for a passing snow shower or two in a couple spots. But in terms of anything significant, I think our odds are starting to decrease a little bit. Of course, we'll keep an eye on it. But right now, I'm not overly concerned. Right now, we're nice and dry, and taking a wider view on clouds and radar, you can see much of the region looks okay. As we go throughout the rest of the day here, the Twin Cities Storm Team Skycast, we got some passing clouds this morning, but we are going to be dealing with a sun and cloud mix by this afternoon. Notice here by 12 o'clock, we do see the clouds break apart. I do expect some sun to be out around the middle of the afternoon, 3 p.m. here, looking good. Then clouds will slowly start to build back in as we go through tonight. But it's mostly dry. It's really not until tomorrow morning, around and after 7 a.m. We're going to bring in our wintry mix starting from the southeast to northwest here. Some light snow starting in the Berkshires, and then eventually everyone will see a period of a little bit of some snow tomorrow during the mid to late morning, early afternoon hours. And notice here around 3 p.m. you can see a little bit of this pink showing up. That's that wintry mix of a little bit of freezing rain and some sleet mixing in with some of that snow, and that continues into the evening here, 6 p.m. here in the valley, a little bit of a mix of some freezing rain and sleet. And then we transition back over to some periods of light snow into Friday night. I want to show you a model comparison here to get you an idea of where the heaviest of the snowfall will likely be. And you can see that they're mostly all in agreement here, with some of the higher totals being in the Berkshires and towards the Vermont state line. Greenfield back through North Adams, seeing some of the higher totals. So, and you can see a lot of them are in agreement with the lower totals in southern along the Connecticut state line. So to put it into better perspective, a model blend here of kind of what could be happening for the day tomorrow into tomorrow night. Don't necessarily focus on the numbers, focus on the shading and the color here for now, indicating where that heaviest of the snow will fall. Again, you can see up around Greenfield, the Vermont state line. That's where you get those higher totals, and then along the Connecticut state line is where, of course, we'll see the lesser amounts because of some more rain and ice mixing in. So just wanted to give you that idea for now in terms of any accumulation with snow tomorrow. Less to the south, more to the north, and higher in elevation. As of right now, I think a lot of us between 1 to 3 inches tomorrow, with a little bit more up towards the Vermont state line, but we'll fine-tune that forecast through today. 38 to 42 out there for the afternoon. We're going to fall back into the teens and 20s for tonight with some increasing clouds, and for the rest of the Twin Cities Storm Team 7-day forecast here, wintry mix out there for the day tomorrow. Could see a few flurries in the morning on Saturday. It's giving us a big cloud on Sunday right now. I think it's a cloudy day no matter what, but the question of how close that system gets will dictate if we can get a little snow out of it. I think it'll be mostly Monday would be our chance for a little bit of some light snow potentially, but we'll keep an eye on that as well. Maybe the chance for another system by Wednesday of next week. So we are in an active pattern. Those temperatures stay mostly in the 30s, nighttime temperatures in the teens and 20s. Once you got all of this forecast, you could do so by getting the free Twin Cities mobile app.